Comb your hair properly. Take one end of your hair and divide it into two sections, making it pigtails. Just like this. Roll it upwards and tie it with a rubber band. See how pretty it looks. Take your hair, comb it properly, do a ponytail, take another section, comb it, roll it upwards just like this. Decorate it with your favorite bobby pin. Take your hair, unstrangle it, take it and roll it with your favorite back pin or a clip. Along with it, do pigtails and see how pretty it looks. Tie it as your own whims and fancies. Roll it upwards. Your hair into two sections. Tie both the sections and pull out the hair through the gaps, giving it a bow look. Tie your hair tight just like this and clear the bow. Then tie the lower ends of your hair with a rubber band just like this. Let loose your hair and divide it into two halves, making pigtails, taking smaller sections of your hair from the front part of your face. Put one rubber band through it and pull your hair through that rubber band properly and decorate it with your favorite clip. Take your hair, divide it into two sections, making it giving a ribbony look. Divide it, plait it and roll it. Take your hair, divide it into two ponytails, take your favorite clip, roll it with it, make tails and then roll one of the tails properly. Take your hair, again take your favorite ribbon and along with the ribbon tie your hair properly in the form of ponytail, taking small sections of your hair in the form of pigtails. Repeat it with the 4 taps of your hair. Ponytail out of your hair, take one part and then do clean platings with one part, roll it upwards and yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.